everyone. So we've been working with use a picture. Today we're using our hundreds chart to help us with our math. Okay, so this is something that can help you when you're doing addition. So this is a new strategy for us. Use the hundreds chart. And you should have a paper that looks like this. Okay, so with this paper, it's all about adding tens. You can notice there's a number always here, and then we're adding 10 to it each time. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. We're going to just do an example together because I really want you to do this one on your own and try and figure out a pattern. Because there is a pattern that you can discover when you add 10 to a number. So I want you to use your hundreds chart, and I want you to get out two things that you can use to mark your hundreds chart. They could be your gems, they could be your bears, they could be a little cube, whatever it is. I just have these two little magnet pieces so I can stick them up to the board. So let's do this one, 5 plus 10. So I'm going to take my first marker and I'm just going to put it on 5. Okay, there it is on 5. Then I need to take 10 hops. So don't count 5, but count your first hop, right? Your finger starts on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to just mark this one here. I see the answer is 15, and then I'm going to cover it up. So it's 15. I'm going to put my answer down. 5 plus 10 equals 15. Okay. And I marked them on my paper. And then when I go on to do, I'm going to look at that. Okay, interesting. And notice this one's here, and then this one's here. And then I'm going to do the next one on my paper. And you can use new gems. And I don't have new ones, so I'm not going to do it right now. But you could use new gems or new bears, whatever, to mark your two numbers on your paper. Now, if you're using gems or bears, something that might be a good idea is to do these two in the same color. And then your next problem, do in the same color. I want you to do them and see if you notice a pattern. What do you notice? And look at your answers. Is there a pattern you might notice in your answers? Is there a pattern you notice on your hundreds chart? What do you notice when you add 10 to these numbers? Okay, so there could be a couple different things that you notice. There should be something you notice with the answers here, and there should be something you notice on your hundreds chart. So I want you to do these. Figure out what the pattern is, figure out what you notice, and on the back, tell me what you noticed about that pattern, okay? Okay, so I want you to figure it out. You have to be a detective today. You're looking for two different things that you might notice. Something on your hundreds chart that you'll notice, and something you'll notice when you write the answers here. Okay? Now see if you can discover those two things for me. I'm really curious to know what patterns you can find. Maybe there's even more. I can think of two, but sometimes you think of things that I don't think of. So remember, start by putting one marker on your first number. And then you're going to take 10 hops. If you get to the end, you have to start back over on this side, okay? It's like, and then keep going. Okay? So 10 hops. Start on this one. 10 hops. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then stop. Okay. Really, this is going to be fun. It's fun to discover things. Okay, go ahead and get